You wanted a faster method? I'm giving you a faster method. Let's do it. Okay, so negative 3 times 1. We're going to multiply the signs and the numbers. So negative 3 times 1, negative 3. Now, when we distribute to this 4, we're going to say it's like a positive 4. So it's a negative 3 times positive 4. So first the signs, negative times positive, that's a negative. 3 times 4 is 12. After you distribute, always check for like terms. Negative 3 minus 12, negative 15, and we're done with that one. Yay! Negative 3 times x, that's going to be negative 3x. Negative 3, now we're going to attach the sign to it. So it's a negative 3 times positive 4. So think the signs first. Negative times positive, that's a negative or a minus. 3 times 4 is 12. That one's done. Awesome. Now, negative 2 times the quantity 3 plus a minus x. So negative 2 times 3, basically negative 2 times positive 3. Negative times positive is negative. 2 times 3 is 6. Yay. Okay, now negative 2 times positive a. Think of it as positive a. Negative times positive, negative. 2 times a, 2a. Ooh, beautiful. Now, negative 2 times negative x. Negative times a negative. Ooh, double dagger. It's going to be positive. And then 2 times x, 2x. Any like terms? No. Good. We're done with all of them. Awesome.